Do you sometimes struggle finding enough time in the day to take in all of the real life trading videos and other content that you want to? I've got some solutions for you. Hello, everyone. My name is Brad Reed, and I am a real life trader where our mission is to enrich lives. I would like to encourage you to be good, and by good, I mean get out of debt, achieve your financial dreams, and give generously to your community. I've been talking to a couple of people lately. Like I spoke with a nurse who works a 12-hour shift, and that does not include her commute time. I spoke with a soldier who said that sometimes only gets access to the internet like 1 hour a week. I talked to a private pilot who will sometimes get a call and then has to fly a client from one place to another, and sometimes doesn't even know when he's coming back. So he has a suitcase packed and ready to go at all times. And I, as a stay-at-home dad, um, when the stock market closes, sometimes I put the kids in the car and drive them to soccer practice or dance practice, and maybe we don't get home till 9:30 at night. So I understand there are times during the week, or maybe it's every week, where you just don't have all the time that you want to consume real life trading content. So one solution is to listen in the car while you're driving around, while you are commuting. Many cars these days can connect to our cell phones via Bluetooth, and then you can listen to the videos and other content while you are driving the car. Maybe you want to listen to content while you are working out. The new headphones these days are called earbuds. And you can connect them to your cell phone, and then you play the videos, the real life trading stuff that you want to on your cell phone. And then you can do it while you are working out, while you are parked in the parking lot waiting for your kids to come out of dance practice, or cooking or cleaning or whatever else you're doing. They have earbuds for Apple cell phones called AirPods. And then earbuds are, I think, the name for the non-Apple phones. But I bought some cheap ones and they did not work, and I bought some expensive ones and I love them. So if you want to find more time in your day, consider listening while you're doing other stuff. Another trick is that you can speed up YouTube. So this
From
is
Music City,
Finance Friday.
Nashville,
And if you
Tennessee.
come over here,
This
sorry,
is
Jeremy cracks
your
me up. If you come
motivational,
over here to the little
sensational,
gearbox where it
inspirational,
says
educational,
settings, and click
aspirational,
on that,
international, keenly
and
related, daily
change the
created, highly
playback speed to double.
anticipated edition of the Afternoon Stream 24 of your humble host, Jeremy
And
Alexander.
yeah,
Use them with no
it's
dosage,
going
no
really
delicious brain food,
fast.
reminder, YouTube,
However,
YouTube, life,
your
life is good.
ears
What's going
can
on, team and
listen
family, fans and followers,
faster
friends and
than
friend
you can
vets all
talk,
around
or even
the
faster
entire
than
globe.
Jeremy can talk.
Yeah, I hope
I
all is
find
going good.
that if I'm trying to
Life, love, and pursuit of happiness
consume
and
and
silly things just
understand about
smiling high for
1.5
you.
is about as the fastest
All
that my
right, got
ears
some
work
comments from the
efficiently,
chat saying, beautiful,
but
everyone saying hello, and life is
sometimes
good.
certain
Awesome, awesome.
speakers will speak
Broader
faster than
markets, one
others.
of those gap
And
up,
if you want to try
fade
it out
Friday kind of days. We've had
while
those a
you're
lot.
watching this
Some
video,
people like
click
them,
on
some
that
people
little
don't.
gearbox down there, find the
I
playback
will say the
and see
vast
what
majority of the day.
playback speed works best for you. So yeah, just come down here where it says settings, that little gearbox, click it, and change the playback speed for this video. Find what works best for you. Now, another way, if you have even less time. Oh, by the way, I did want to mention that watching and listening to the entire video here in the swing trading room is important because Jeremy teaches. And you know, if you want to become a successful trader, you've got to learn. Yes, you can come over here, watch the free videos, and this is where a lot of the techniques are discussed. But if you want to see them applied, if you want to really learn, you've got to do it. And you can watch Jeremy do it in these videos. So um, if you are going to skip around and just get bits and pieces, I say do so with caution and do so as a last resort, because the idea is to learn, not just get the updates. All right, cool. So moving on, next tip is to search the transcript. So if you click these little dots down here in the bottom right, there is something that says open transcript. And if you come and the transcript isn't there, it sometimes takes an hour or a couple of hours for the transcript to get there, but it'll get there. Look for these three dots, look for the part that says open transcript, and then over here, up here, yeah, YouTube puts the transcript. So I have a PC, I'm using Windows something, and so I hit Control F. If you have an Apple product, there's a Command F, or there's another way to search on the page. But I've got cars pulled up here, so I'm assuming Jeremy at one point talked about cars. So if I type in CARS, And there's cars, oh, down there in the description. If I click this little down box, I see over here that Jeremy talked about cars at 30 minutes and 1 second. So if I click here, and this is a tip from Jason. Jason, thank you, man. I can now play the video
Cars.
and see where Jeremy talked about cars.
So cars.com had a gap up.
Now, if I want to see where he talks about sleep number, I can type in, well, sleep, and it finds it there. And I see he did that at 31 minutes and 14 seconds. I can just click over here where it says sleep number. And looks like he talked about sleep number right after cars.
So that I can go in and set that set that trade up with contingent orders. Or it's just all automatic. Buy 890, stop at 850, target 950, and just walk away. Easy stuff too. This is not that hard.
Monday sleep number. So there's got to be another place where he talked about sleep number.
Magnite.
28.
Sleep number.
41.
SMBR.
So there it is. He's talking about sleep number. So
did gap on earnings.
And maybe let's just see. Did he talk about Apple?
Pattern. I really like this breakout here. Plus it's
mattresses. All right. No, he didn't talk about Apple. So then you can. Oh,
who are you?
Did he?
Why are you asking this question? Let me adjust this for dividends. So sleep or an Apple.
So it looks like he talked about it, but maybe didn't talk about it. So, sorry, he mentioned the name Apple, but he didn't talk about the stock on this day. So it's a way to find out what Jeremy talks about, what he doesn't talk about. Those are tips and tricks to speed things up. Now, there is another way. If you come over here to Slack, you can see all of our trade ideas. If you find your name up here in the upper left and hit that drop-down box, come down to where it says Preferences, and you can type in keywords. Now, when we do day trade, we use that word right there, day trade, all one word. And when we call an official swing trade, you will see swing trade, all one word. And when you put it in here in your keywords, at least the way I've got it set up, my cell phone will give an alert. So I know someone said or typed the word day trade or swing trade. And when I scroll, okay, this is, I'm doing this on Sunday morning, so it's been a while since the market was open. Ooh, neat. There's a little PineScript editor. There's Jeremy talking about day trades. Here's Jeremy calling a new official swing trade. See how it highlights in yellow there? So you can scroll through Slack and find where people were talked about day trades and swing trades. And just like watching the whole video is important, there's a lot of helpful information here on Slack where people sharing their trades, asking questions, getting answers. There's Johnny Guarco talking about a time where he bought calls on this inverted head and shoulders and sharing a picture on Hertz rental car. So anyways, check it out. But if you tag some keywords, then they highlight and your phone will beep at you. Another way, use the search bar up here at the top. Maybe you want to see any updates to swing trade. So you type it up there in the top and you can see anytime someone mentioned the word swing trade. Now, maybe you only want to see Jeremy, so you can filter it by just what Jeremy talked about. And here is Jeremy talking about swing trades. And notice how I can get the last couple of days, at least right now, it's going as far back as October 13th. And I'm recording this on October 18th. But yeah, so you can get the last couple of days by using the search bar and filters. Again, that's up here at the very top of Slack. And then if you only have a few seconds, like maybe you have 60 seconds in a day and you want to see if there are any updates to the swing trade, come over here to the dashboard. Let's see, let me show you how to get there. At the top of reallifetrading.com, there's my account. If you click there, you can log in. Come down here to where it says the RL official trade journal. And if you don't have it on your dashboard, it's somewhere down in here. You can add it for free if you are a subscriber. Click there, come up to the link at the top that says swing trades for the current month. And then you can click on the pictures. You can see if any new trades were active or made open. You can see if any of the open trades were filled and are now active. Yeah, it's all here. So this is also for credit spreads. So this is 6 ways that you can consume more content within the same amount of hours. Listen in your car, check out the earbuds. You can speed up the video. You can search the transcript. You can use the search function in Slack. You can also add keywords in Slack to highlight when people mention these things. And you can come to the Real Life Trading Trade Journal and check it for recent updates. Folks, thanks for watching this video. You guys rock. And as always, trade on logic, not on hope. Have a good one, everybody.